It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Essence with a Sport Touring package. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have the heads up display button and information tab, some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel button. And to the right we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, interior light buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. We're also able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Here we have the auto stop start button, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, traction control, self-park, and park assist. At the front of the Encore GX, we have the custom grille insert with red accents, front and rear sport bumpers, LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, black roof rails up top, black mirror caps, rear tinted windows, keyless access on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window wiper, and a power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the trunk we have plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo shade, cargo hooks, LED lighting, and a spare tire storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has some rear USB plug-ins and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to lay the rear seats flat by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Essence, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.